am Ekta Hinduja and a big warm welcome to my channel. In today's video, a parent had requested that I show as to how I have organized all the activity sheets, the activity boxes, the crafts and everything that comes along with it. So I have made different boxes for them. If you don't want to invest in a lot of boxes, then you can use the same boxes that come along with it. Now the thing I have done is that I have segregated, like I've piled up all the sheets that I had from different activity boxes and I have put them in different order. So one is like only writing, one has crafts and everything. So this is the video. And also I wanted to share, if there's anything that you want me to make, do let me know in the comment section. And let's go with the... So this is what normally happens now when you have so many activity boxes. So like I have get class monitor. This is from 3.5 to 2.5 plus to previous boxer which was 2.5 to 3.5. That also sheets were in this. Then I have one more activity box. I'm not able to find the cap of it, but this is the learning fun with Neha, and that's the talking teacher by Purple Turtle. So you know, like a lot of sheets as you see are here. So the first things first is, you know, put all the papers in one, that is jo bhi activity boxes ke hain, just put it in one. And like this is what I'm planning to do, and I have put all of them together. The reason is because all the activities have almost the same concept, like they have maths, they have English, they have activity, they have paper cutting. So what you do is just put all of them together, and then we will divide these so that different activity boxes are interesting at the same time. And it's not only the class monitor you're doing, it's not only the learning fun or only the first cry, or if it's the Einstein box. So just try to put everything in one, make it like a bundle. And these boxes which have come with the papers, like this one and this one, this one and this one, we are going to use them only. We don't need a special box. But if you have place in the house, I would highly recommend that you can use the IKEA boxes. I'm going to show that as well. So I've just put... So I have stacked everything from the boxes that I have. Agar kuch extra bhi hoga, like these are small flash cards, and there are different cards like these. I'm just going to keep them here. I'm not going to be putting in different boxes. ये IKEA का box है, which is I think approximately for 129 or 149 rupees. So this we bought it online. We use it a lot, these boxes, for storing his toys, like the small figure cars, the cat boy, owlet, all the action figures which are smaller in size. I put them in this, or even the bigger Batman, Captain America, Iron Man, so that they can see इसमें क्या है. And this comes with a lid. So the beauty is that you can have like 4-5 of them and you can stack them in their cupboards. So this is an excellent one. I'm already using one more to keep his fire extinguisher set, since he's very fond of costumes. And you can also use a folder like this. So this we received it during one of the Christmas parties, and I know it's a little bit torn and all, but I know it's going to be used. I don't want to throw it. I can use it because I'm just using it to store the activity sheets. This was also a return gift that he received, and I found this to be very good. You can either buy this or you can buy this, or if you don't want to invest now, you can just, ye jo boxes hai, you can use them. So this comes with a zip and all the papers can like go inside this. So I'm just going to sort them out, and I'm going to show you how I've done it. So this is how I'm sorting. So this is basically all the activities which require cutting, pasting and all of that in the rhyming format or a story format. And also the learning fun with Neha is here. Then these are all the color sheets which says, you know, color the flowers or color the, what do you call, identify the seasons, label them and correctly color the pictures. Then these are more to do with the numbers, like the counting and counting ho gaya. Then, you know, like ordering numbers or color the number 2. Then we have maths out here. So this is numbers again. So this is basically to do with numbers. Now while I was sorting, I honestly feel that this kit, which is learning with fun, it's a homeschooling kit. Now this is An excellent box. A lot of you have asked me which is good amongst the class monitor or the Einstein box or the First Cry box or the Flinto class. Not many people know that this box is the one that I found on Instagram, and trust me, I have loved this one more than anything else because it has different subjects. It's got science, it's got maths, it's got phonics. Like these are the phonics sheets out here. So this is how the phonics is also covered in this. So, and this is from age 4 to 5. So the good part is that it has covered almost all the topics that you would want your child to learn at an age, and it's not difficult to learn. Whereas where I see the class monitor box, I always feel, you know, usme cutting बहुत ज़्यादा है. Like you have to cut a lot and you have to make sure it's ready, and then you have to keep it for your child. That I'm not very fond of, because that's only when you would do if you have free time and all. But supposedly you don't have free time at hand, you're a working mom or a working parent for a matter, you just want to grab these sheets and you can just, you know, go ahead and do this. So see, this is the maths part, so I'm going to keep this here. It's a maths sheet. But whereas if you see this now, it's all like this. See, this is also their number format, but I think it requires a lot of cutting. So I kind of get bored of cutting a lot of sheets. So one day prior, so this is another sheet. This is for the coming week. I normally used to take out sheets for like one day ki, you know, tomorrow I'm going to make him sit and I'm going to make sure he does it. But you know, sometimes they're not in a mood, or you know, they just want to watch TV for half an hour, or they want to go down for a play date or anything. It just depends on the day. So these are the sheets that I'm planning to cover this week. I'm going to be adding more, and we're just going to remove few. Say for example, if he finishes all of this in one day, nothing like it, I'm going to remove more because everything is sorted. I just have to pick, like, okay, thoda maths ho gaya, thoda, you know, writing is done, thoda sorting is done, thoda coloring is done, some phonics is done. So from each subject I pick up like one, and then it's good to go. So you're covering a lot in one day and not dumping them with only sorting or only coloring or only writing. They want variety, and that's how they will enjoy it. So the mess that you saw before is now extremely well organized. So I'm going to take you with me. I know I took you with me previously, but I just wanted to show you how all I've done. So again, like I said, कि जो boxes है वही use करो, and if you want you can invest, otherwise it's really not required. So this box that you see is got all the cutting and pasting activities, because both Learning Fun with Neha, Purple Turtle and Get Class Monitor had enough of them. So I've put them in one box. So this is basically all the cutting and everything. And there were previous activities which I had already cut and kept for Ayan to do it. So I'm just going to keep them here. So we just have to remove and do it. Don't cut everything and keep, because definitely you'll get confused. But there were some that I had already done it bahut pehle and I had just kept it. So this is that. Then these are the books from Purple Turtle only. So that's the reason I don't have any books from either Class Monitor or Learning with Fun. So I'm just going to put them back where they belong. So this is the Purple Turtle box, and this is again a practice book which I can keep it out anywhere in the house and Ayan can do it. Then this, I'll show you what it is. Then this is a book which has got all the flashcards. It has got you know, those papers which came along with Class Monitor sheet. You know, these chart kinds come, like, you know, triangle, then passing the parcel, then alligator. So I don't want to keep it in his room like stuck on a wall, because it becomes really clumsy. I'm just going to remove it, and we are going to do it on the not daily basis, but you know, sometimes when you're bored of writing or when you're bored of, you know, doing other things, so you just want to pick out of this and then you're good to go. Okay, then the next box is this is actually a folder which you get it in any stationery. So this is all the activities that I want to do with throughout the week. I have selected some coloring, some odd one out, some numbers, some alphabet writing. I still have to pick out few from these and then put it in this. These were while sorting some of the random activities I came across, and I've put it in this. But from each section that I have, I'm going to remove it and put it inside this. So that's that. Moving on to is, I had shown you this pouch. So this pouch is an extremely good one when you're traveling. So what you can do is buy a pouch like this, or a packet, or a paper like this. So why I like this one is that I'm going to put all the activities from these individual boxes, and I can put his pencil, crayon, stationeries, whatever is going to be required during, you know, doing an activity, including a scissor, Fevicol, a sellotape. I'm going to put it in that, so whenever I'm traveling I just have to like take this and take it along with me. Try to do more of fun activities rather than just writing, because we don't want them to get bored of writing. And as you saw, this folder is extremely good. It's in a little, not torn condition, but I didn't want to throw it, because obviously it has his name on it. So what I have done here is that this first page has all the phonic sounds, all the alphabet cards with sounds, with the words that came, the CV word, the CVC words, and activities that also had phonics in that, like write the first letter of the animal given, so on and so forth, was the first sheet. Then after I left 2-3 blank folders, and then I've kept all the number activities, like count the numbers, how many wheels does this particular car have. So a lot of activity sheets are there. So, and then addition is there. Now what I really okay, and the last one that you see out here is to do with alphabets. So that also had small alphabet ka printable, where I want him to sit and, you know, cut it himself. And this is all the writing part out here. They color the letter M. So this is to do with all the alphabets. And the last one that you see is all the coloring activities that have been given. So what I'm going to do is just put this one that came along with learning with fun, and I'm going to put it. So this whatever you see out here is in this cupboard. I keep it, and we normally have a carpet here, so we place a carpet down, we open the cupboard, and we start taking out all the activities from here, and we start doing. So for tomorrow, like tomorrow is Monday, and from Monday to say Friday, Saturday tak, I want to keep all these activities for him. So yes. So guys, you saw how I made it. As you saw, like I keep telling, don't invest, and you can use the folders, you can use binders, you can use a bigger folder. Find a section where it is easy access for children, because if they don't see, they won't do it. And try not to budge them a lot for doing activities, because we don't want them to get bored at the end of the day. It's fun and it's enjoyable, and let them have fun. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.